Hi, this is Jean-Pierre. I work on a Google Web Designer team, and I'm going to talk to you about gradients in Google Web Designer. Two types of gradients are available: linear gradients and radial gradients. They can be applied on both the border and background of most elements. It's a color that's available in a color panel or anywhere you can pick a color. I'm going to show you how to work with gradients by creating a rectangle. And from there, either in the color panel, property editor, or any other location, you will be able to modify the colors to add a radial or linear gradient. So once I have this rectangle, I'm going to pick the radial gradient. I can then modify it by selecting a color stop and picking a different color. I can also add color stops. I need to click on this line that shows me the existing color stop. This creates a new one, which I can then modify. I can add several color stops. If I don't want a color stop, I just click on a color stop, drag it, and when I release it disappears. Showing you again that step because it was not obvious. I need to click on it, then move the mouse outside, and when I release it disappears. I can apply gradients on the fill color or on the border color. Here this is showing you this is a solid color red. I'm going to choose a linear gradient this time. And I can then modify it to fit my needs. I'm going to create another element. By default, it keeps the gradient that was used in the previous shape and makes it available. But when I select a new shape, then the current gradient is shown. The icon shows the current linear or radial gradient to give you an indication of what is the current color choice. Once you have the gradients, the gradient tool allows you to modify them by, for radial gradient, allowing you to pick a different center, or by changing its shape. I can do this either for the fill color. If I want to do it for the radial gradient for the stroke color in the other shape, I need to click on Edit Stroke. Then I can select my other shape and change its gradient, center, and shape. When selecting a shape with a linear gradient, I can modify the position of the end stops or rotate the linear gradient for the tool. This concludes our demo on gradients in Google Web Designer. Thanks for your time.